In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply alternating colors in Google Sheets. If you're working with a lot of data, alternating colors make your table easier to read by giving each row a subtle background difference. To begin, open your Google Sheet and highlight the exact range where you want the styling to appear. This can be your whole table or just a specific set of columns and rows. Click and drag to select, or use Shift with your arrow keys for precision. If you want the entire sheet to be striped, you can select all cells first, then continue with the same process. Now head to the top toolbar and click on the Format menu. This is where Google Sheets keeps most of its styling tools. From that drop-down, choose Alternating Colors. As soon as you click it, a panel will open on the right-hand side of your screen. In the Alternating Colors panel, you'll see preset styles you can apply with a single click. These presets give you light, medium, and strong contrast options. Pick one that suits your data and your audience. For most tables, lighter tones work best because they improve readability without overpowering the text. If you want something custom, you can adjust the colors for the header, the even rows, and the odd rows. Try to maintain good contrast between text and background, especially if your data will be printed or shared. Dark text on light backgrounds typically reads best. Within the same panel, you can also specify whether your selection has a header row or a footer row. Turning on the header row option lets you give the top row a distinct color, which helps your column labels stand out. You can also tweak the header color to align with your theme or brand. Keep it consistent and subtle so the content remains the focus. Once you're happy with the look, click Done. Google Sheets will immediately apply the alternating color style to the exact range you selected. If you change your mind, you can reopen the Alternating Colors panel at any time to switch schemes, customize shades, or update the selected range. A quick tip: if you add new rows inside the formatted range, the striping continues automatically. If you insert rows below or beyond that range, you may need to open the panel again and expand the selection so the pattern extends. That's it. You've added clean, readable alternating colors to your data, making it easier for anyone to scan and understand your sheet at a glance.